You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that originates from Greek, and it's a biblical name. It's an assembly of citizens in ancient Greek cities. The Greek pronunciation and how it's usually pronounced in English. In Greek it's pronounced Ekklesia. Ekklesia, that's how the Greeks refer to it. Now, in English it's usually spelled with two C's and it's pronounced as Ekklesia. That's the English pronunciation, but the spelling with two C's. Generally, when you have two K's in the spelling, you refer to the Greek word Ekklesia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.